Hello my people. Remember I told you about going to Kiriaini in my previous video? So that's where I'm headed to. So guys, watch this video and let's go. Actually, I will be picked here. Yeah, so I'm waiting for the vehicle that we will be using. So guys, tune in. Let's watch this. Let's go together, but it's a bit late. Yeah, it's at, I think it's almost 7, so don't mind the quality of the video. I know actually sana sana kwa lorry ama kwa vehicle the lighting will be somehow poor, so guys just manage with me. Yeah, so let's go. So if you are from that area, like if you are from Kiriaini, just hop into the comment section, tell us which part of Kiriaini are you from, what do you do, how is the place. Just update us, just tell us. Yeah, and if you happen to see a place that you know there in Kiriaini, don't forget to tell us. Yeah guys, I won't be sorry, you won't be seeing me, so I will just be showing you where we are headed to, and that's it. And I will tell you at the end of the video. Yeah, I will update you on everything, nitawambia nikirudi kwangu and all that. So I'm waiting for these guys, sijui wamefika wapi. They just told me they are almost, but you know wa Kenya mkisema I will be there in 30 minutes, just know that person will be there in 2 hours and 30 minutes. Wa Kenya na masaa aki. But what can we do? We just have to manage. So guys, join me and let's unravel this. Yo. So I see my people are here. I'm almost being picked. Yes guys, join me and let's do this together. Oh my god, so my people bado tuko Othaya ndo tunaelekea Kiriaini guys. I will be updating you. I told you about the lighting, right? So guys, just manage. Yeah, we'll still be there.
Okamole kera niegona mapali.
Ya narudi, si tunaenda.
Failure.
Ogo auga alkabran nini uko na au.
Kiriaini town. So guys, this is Kiriaini town. We are here and guys, it's raining. It's raining, man. So this is Kiriaini town. guys, like it's late. I feel so good. Like it feels so good traveling at night. Guys, can you see me? This is Kiriaini town at night. Have a view. Look at it. For those of us who are wondering, where is this Kiriaini? So guys, Kiriaini is in Murang'a County. Yeah, and I'm having a tour. Yeah, I'm going around this place, but it's raining. Yeah, it's raining, so hiyo ndo tu tuzuia kutoka, so that's why unaona nachukulia vitu nikiwa ndani ya gari ama some out, though bado nanyeshewa, but anything for you my subscribers. So guys, if you are watching this video till now and you haven't subscribed, man, you are missing a lot. You need to subscribe, you need to like, share, comment, you know, all that stuff. Guys, this is a place called something like Kanyanyaine, I'm not sure. Yeah, so it's still in Murang'a guys. Each time imeenda. Yeah, I'm sorry, like, because it's so dark, like kuna giza sana, so bear with me. Guys, this is Kiriaini. Yeah, sai ni saa 5 at night. So people are still doing their stuff, watu wako mashughuli huku. Yeah, watu bado wanajituma. So guys, I think okay, sai ndo narudi home. I'm going back to my place. Yeah, I think this is where I'm going to end this video. Thank you for those who watched. I know the video, I mean the lighting was poor, but please just bear with it. Yeah, so watu wa Kiriaini kama vile tulisema, or if you've ever been here, just tell us, have you seen somewhere, ama umeona mali unajua, ama do you live here? So guys, tumepitia mali kunaitwa Waranga, sijui Kihome, Kanyanyaine, a lot of places. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, share, comment, and more. Subscribe guys, please guys, subscribe for more like this. And also remember to tell me the kind of content you would like me to be bringing for you. Yeah, so guys, good night. Okay, I don't know what's the time you are watching this video, but for me, yeah, I want to go home, just freshen up, you know, get some bed rest. Yeah, I'm really tired. So guys, goodbye.